Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover deleted bookmark in Google Chrome. First, for the sake of the tutorial, let's delete some bookmarks. Let's delete it. As you can see, all the bookmarks have been deleted. Now to recover it, go to the settings and go to turn on sync. Click on yes, I'm in, because sometimes turning on sync, or if your sync is on, your bookmarks will be restored automatically. Go back. Reload the page and check if your bookmarks have appeared. As you can see, the bookmarks have not been recovered. Press Windows plus R key and type AppData. Press Enter. Go to Local and scroll and find Google. Go inside Chrome User Data and go to Default. Scroll down until you find the files called Bookmark and Bookmark Backup. Rename the bookmark to Bookmark Old and rename this to Bookmark. Simply click on Yes and go to Google once again. Restart the Chrome. After restarting the Chrome, go to your bookmarks. And as you can see, my bookmarks have been successfully restored. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.